Have you ever woken up with irritated eyes, shortness of breath, or coughing? Those are all symptoms of inhaling mold spores. Florida ranks the highest in the U.S. on the mold index. We actually have 38.76 out of 40. On average, every home runs their AC for about 10 to 14 hours. Imagine the number of ACs that are contaminated with mold that you're breathing in on a daily basis. I've worked in HVAC for the last 5 years doing home inspections, and I can't even tell you how many homes have not had the proper maintenance on their AC units. Today we're going to go over a couple of different steps that you can take as a homeowner or even a tenant to see if you're one of those many homes that are contaminated with mold. We'll also look at what your attic is supposed to look like, and then we're going to go over how you can maintain that. To prevent mold contamination, the first thing you need to address is the filter. Once a month, you should be changing your filter, but you should be checking your AC unit while you do so. Next slide. First, what you need to be looking at is you have to identify what kind of unit you have. There are 3 typical types in Florida. You have a heat pump, you have a split system, and you have a package unit. Most units in Florida are split systems. First, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the front panel here. There are just 4 different bolts. You're going to also look at the drain line, which is down here. Drain line takes excess water and removes it outside. What you should be doing is you're putting down 3 tablespoons of vinegar into that spot there. Your AC is not only the thing that you should be checking when it comes to HVAC systems. Next slide, please. So these are actually the results of that same exact unit that you just saw. This is the blower wheel, and this is the coil. Both are contaminated with mold, which you would not see on the outside. Like I said, when it comes to HVAC systems, you shouldn't just be checking for AC. This is a plenum. Plenum is what goes on top of the AC unit. That is your ductwork. It is made out of fiberglass, and it distributes air throughout the home. So how you can check your ductwork, switch it please. When you go to your vents, if it looks like this around it, you definitely know that you need to clean your ductwork. But you can always take it a step further and remove the grill and look on the inside here. Okay? No one really thinks of the HVAC system until it's too late and the problem is far too gone and now you're in need of a costly repair. Air conditioners need to be regularly maintained and cleaned. Many people don't have the proper knowledge about the machines inside their homes. 42% of homeowners actually never have their AC maintenance by a professional. Like our cars, ACs require regular upkeep. HVAC maintenance will extend the AC life about 40%. I know it's daunting to touch a machine that you don't know much about, but anyone can complete these steps to check your HVAC system. Now you know what to look for, and you can ensure that your AC is cleaned annually. Living in Florida has come with some great benefits, but there are also some downfalls. Based on factors like humidity, rainfall, temperature, and the home age, we are susceptible to mold. Be vigilant and get to know your home.